Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox worlds. First, you'll need to download and install Roblox Studio, the official development environment. Once installed, take a moment to explore the interface. Pay attention to the Explorer window, which lists all objects in your game, and the Properties window, where you can customize their attributes. Begin your creation by opening a new project, perhaps starting with a simple base plate or a pre-built template to get a feel for the tools. Now, let's dive into building. The Part tool is your fundamental building block, allowing you to create various shapes. Master the Move, Scale, and Rotate tools to precisely position and size your creations. For more intricate designs, group several objects together. Don't forget to customize the look of your parts using the material and color properties, offering a wide range of textures and hues to bring your vision to life. Experiment with different combinations to achieve unique aesthetics. To make your world truly come alive, you'll need to add interactivity through scripting. Roblox uses Lua, a powerful yet accessible programming language. Start by writing simple scripts to make objects perform actions, like moving, changing color, or reacting to a player touching them. These scripts can be attached directly to parts or placed in the workspace for broader game logic. The Roblox Developer Hub is an excellent resource, offering countless tutorials and examples to guide you through your scripting journey. Before sharing your masterpiece, thorough testing is crucial. Playtest your game regularly within Studio to catch any glitches or unexpected behaviors. Fine-tune game settings, including where players spawn and the overall rules of your experience. Once you're satisfied, publish your game to the Roblox platform, making it accessible to millions of players worldwide. Remember, game development is an iterative process. Continue to update and refine your world based on valuable player feedback to ensure a fun and engaging experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.